Listen to me for a second. There's a moment in every connection where you know she likes you, but you want more than just likes and smiles. You want her thinking about you when she wakes up. You want her checking her phone, hoping your name appears. You want to be the guy she can't get off her mind, even when she tries to. But here's the truth most men never hear. Attraction doesn't grow when you're in front of her. Attraction grows in the spaces between those moments. It grows in what she doesn't know, what she wonders, and what she feels when you're not there. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how to become that man, the one who lives in her thoughts, the one she keeps replaying in her mind, the one she can't forget. Let's begin. Point 1. Give her a moment. She can't replace. When you're with her, don't just exist in the room. Make your presence unforgettable. Share moments that feel different than every guy she's met. Laugh deeper. Look at her like you truly see her. Ask questions no one else does. When a woman feels emotion, not just conversation, you become a memory. Most men try to impress her, but the guy she thinks about is the one who makes her feel. Give her something her brain refuses to delete. Point 2. Don't rush into her world. Let her step into yours. If she feels like she immediately has all of you, there's nothing left to chase. But when she senses you have a whole life, goals, hobbies, people, passions, and she's just now getting a glimpse, her mind stays busy imagining the rest. Show her your world slowly, piece by piece, not because you're hiding, but because you're someone worth uncovering. Point 3. Create curiosity with depth. Most men are predictable. Same routine, same jokes, same responses. You're different. Be the guy who sometimes texts fast, sometimes later, because you're busy living, doesn't always explain every detail, shares stories that hint at more beneath the surface. Don't post every meal or every hangout online. Let her wonder where you are, who you're with, what you're working toward. Mystery is not silence. Mystery is selective revelation. Point 4. Make her earn what she gets from you. Attention is a currency. Don't hand it out like free samples. When she puts effort into conversation, match it. When she invests, invest back. But if she withdraws, let her. A woman thinks most about the man she's trying to win, not the one begging for her time. Become the prize, not the pursuer. Point 5. Leave. On a high note end, moments with her before they get boring or routine. If a date is great, wrap it up while the energy is high. If a call is full of laughter, say you have to go and leave her smiling. Why? Because she'll replay those highlights when you're gone. People crave what ended too soon, not what overstayed its welcome. Point 6. Show strength in your silence. Silence is not a game. Silence is confidence. You don't need to always respond instantly. You don't need to prove anything. When she texts you, breathe. Live your life. Reply with intention, not desperation, because when a man is comfortable with space, a woman fills that space with thoughts of him. Point 7. When you give. Give meaningfully. A small compliment at the right moment hits harder than 100 shallow ones. A short message like, "I had fun tonight," after a great evening can play in her mind for hours. Don't love bomb. Don't overload her. Give just enough to make her feel seen, and just little enough to make her want more. Her mind will chase the missing pieces. Point 8. Become the man she can't replace. 30 to 40 seconds, bonus depth. Women obsess over the kind of man who keeps evolving, who stays focused, who grows even when she's not around to watch. If she sees you leveling up your life, she'll worry someone else might notice too. And that's when the obsession starts. Listen, getting into her life is easy. Any guy can do that. Getting into her mind? That takes strength, discipline, self-respect. Be the man who gives unforgettable moments. Be the man who has a life she wants to be a part of. Be the man who is both present and missed. Because once you become the man she can't stop thinking about, she'll chase you, she'll choose you, and she'll never want to lose you.